For one quiet minute, stop carrying everything. Put down the fear, the pressure, the memories, and the questions you cannot answer right now. You have spent enough time speaking to yourself through worry. Now it is time to speak with kindness, trust, and hope. The words you repeat inside your mind become the feelings you carry through your day. When those words are filled with doubt, even small steps can feel difficult. But when you choose words that remind you of your strength, worth, and ability to begin again, something inside you starts to soften. You do not need to force yourself to believe that everything is perfect. You only need to become open to the idea that your life can improve. One sincere minute can calm your thoughts, lift your energy, and help you see possibilities that fear was hiding from you. In the next section, we will begin a few long-form affirmations that will help you feel peaceful, supported, confident, and ready to receive better experiences. Listen slowly and allow each sentence to become personal. Let the words meet the part of you that feels tired, uncertain, or forgotten. This minute belongs to you. Breathe deeply. Release what has been weighing on your heart and prepare to speak to yourself in a new way. I am ready to speak to myself with love, patience, and respect. I release the harsh words I have repeated during difficult moments, and I choose thoughts that help me feel safe, strong, and hopeful. I may not know exactly how everything will work out, but I trust that I am being guided toward what is right for me. I am no longer allowing old fear to decide what I deserve. I deserve peace that does not depend on other people, confidence that grows from within, and happiness that feels honest and natural. I forgive myself for the days when I felt lost, tired, or unable to move forward. Those days did not make me weak. They showed me how much I was carrying. I now give myself permission to release that weight. My past cannot stop the good that is entering my life. I am open to loving relationships, helpful opportunities, financial ease, emotional healing, and unexpected reasons to smile. I trust myself to recognize what is meant for me and to walk away from what no longer supports my growth. Every breath reminds me that I am still becoming wiser, calmer, and more certain of my worth. I do not need to chase what belongs in my life. I choose to move with patience, take clear steps, and believe that better experiences are possible for me. From this moment forward, I speak to myself as someone I deeply love because I am worthy of my own kindness. The words you repeat inside your mind may seem private and harmless, but they influence the way you feel about yourself and the choices you make each day. When you constantly think, "I am not good enough," or "nothing ever works for me," your mind begins to treat those thoughts like facts. You may stop trying, ignore new opportunities, or accept less than you deserve because doubt has become familiar. But your inner voice can also become a source of strength. When you remind yourself, "I can handle this," "I deserve respect," or "this difficult moment will pass," you create space for courage and clearer thinking. Positive words do not mean pretending that pain does not exist. They mean refusing to let pain write the rest of your story. The goal is not to force happiness every moment. The goal is to choose thoughts that support you while you face life honestly. Each time you replace a cruel thought with a kinder one, you begin to change your relationship with yourself. Over time, your new inner words can help you respond with more patience, make healthier decisions, and believe in possibilities you once ignored. Speak to yourself like someone whose future matters, because the voice you hear most often is your own, and it should be a voice that helps you rise. When you speak as if change has already begun, you give your mind a new direction to follow. Instead of saying, "One day I will feel confident," say, "I am learning to trust myself more each day." Instead of waiting for peace to appear, remind yourself, "Peace is growing within me now." These words feel close, honest, and possible. You are not pretending that every problem has disappeared. You are simply choosing to notice that healing, growth, and progress may already be happening in small ways. Perhaps you are setting better boundaries, walking away from old habits, thinking more carefully, or becoming kinder to yourself. These changes may seem small, but they are signs that your life is moving in a healthier direction. As you speak, try to feel the meaning behind your words. Imagine the calm you want, the respect you deserve, and the relief of knowing you no longer have to fight yourself. Let your words describe the person you are choosing to be today, not only the person you hope to become someday. Say, "I am open to good experiences. I am making choices that support me. I am ready to receive the love and peace I once believed were far away." When your words and feelings begin to move together, even 1 minute can become a powerful reminder that your new story is already taking shape. Fear often speaks loudly, especially when you are about to make a change. It may remind you of past mistakes, imagine the worst result, or convince you to stay where everything feels familiar. But fear is not always a warning that something will go wrong. Sometimes it is simply a sign that you are stepping beyond an old limit. You do not have to fight every negative thought or feel ashamed when one appears. Notice it, take a slow breath, and remind yourself that a thought is not a command. You can hear it without following it. When your mind says, "I cannot do this," gently answer, "I can take one small step." When it says, "Nothing will change," respond, "Change may already be happening in ways I cannot see yet." This is how you begin to take your power back. You stop giving every fearful thought control over your mood and your future. Releasing fear does not mean you will never feel uncertain again. It means uncertainty will no longer decide your direction. Give yourself permission to move slowly, ask for help, rest when needed, and begin again without judging yourself. You are stronger than the thoughts that try to keep you small. Each time you choose trust over fear, you create more space for peace, courage, and new possibilities to enter your life. Many people find it easy to believe that others deserve love, peace, success, and happiness. yet struggle to believe the same about themselves. You may have learned to connect your worth with how much you achieve, how useful you are, or how well you meet the expectations of others. But your worth is not something you must earn. It is already part of you. You are worthy even when you are resting, learning, healing, or starting again. A mistake cannot remove your value, and someone else's inability to appreciate you cannot make you less deserving. Begin reminding yourself, I am allowed to receive good things without feeling guilty. I am worthy of love that feels safe, opportunities that respect my abilities, and peace that does not need to be explained. These words can help you stop rejecting what your heart has been asking for. You do not have to make yourself smaller so that others feel comfortable. You do not have to suffer before you are allowed to feel happy. Let yourself accept compliments, support, kindness, and new chances without questioning why they came to you. The more you respect your own worth, the easier it becomes to choose people, habits, and experiences that respect it too. You are not asking for too much by wanting a life that feels loving, peaceful, meaningful, and true to who you are. A 1-minute affirmation practice becomes more meaningful when it has a simple place in your daily life. Choose a time that feels natural instead of trying to create a perfect routine. You can practice after waking up, before checking your phone, while preparing for the day, or just before going to sleep. Sit comfortably, take one slow breath, and choose a few words that match what you truly need. On a difficult morning, you might say, I have enough strength for today. I can move slowly and still make progress. Before sleeping, you might remind yourself, I release this day with peace. I am allowed to rest, and tomorrow gives me another chance. The practice does not need to be long or complicated. What matters is that you give your words your full attention for that 1 minute. Some days, the affirmations may feel powerful. On other days, your mind may wander or doubt what you are saying. Continue gently without judging yourself. Repetition helps new thoughts become more familiar, but there is no need to force a feeling. You can also use this practice during stressful moments, before an important decision, or whenever fear begins to take control. 1 quiet minute can help you pause, return to yourself, and choose how you want to move through the next moment. Affirmations can change the way you speak to yourself, but your actions show that you are beginning to believe those new words. If you say, I respect myself, support that affirmation by setting one healthy boundary. If you say, I am ready for new opportunities, take a small step by learning something, sending a message, or completing a task you have delayed. If you say, my well-being matters, give yourself proper rest, drink water, take a walk, or ask for support when you need it. These actions do not have to be large. A small choice made with clear intention can become proof that your life is moving in a better direction. Words prepare your mind, and action helps those words become part of your daily experience. You do not need to rush or change everything at once. Choose one simple action that matches the affirmation you are repeating. Let it be something realistic enough to complete today. Each time you follow a positive statement with a caring action, you build greater trust in yourself. You begin to see that you are not only hoping for a better life, you are helping to create one through the choices you make. Speak with hope, then move with purpose. Even the smallest step can carry you closer to the peace, confidence, and happiness you have been asking for. Real change does not always arrive with a clear sign. Sometimes it begins quietly through a calmer response, a better choice, or a moment when you no longer react the way you once did. Because these changes are small, you may believe that nothing is happening. You may feel tempted to repeat your affirmations with pressure, constantly search for results, or question whether you are doing enough. But growth cannot be forced. Give your new thoughts time to become familiar, and give yourself time to live by them. Your responsibility is to speak with intention, take helpful steps, and remain open to what unfolds. You do not need to control every detail or know exactly when your life will change. Some experiences need patience, and some answers become clear only after you stop chasing them. Trust does not mean sitting still and waiting for everything to appear. It means doing what you can while releasing the fear that everything must happen immediately. Remind yourself, I am making progress even when I cannot see the full result. I trust the steps I am taking, and I allow my life to unfold at the right pace. Continue your practice without turning it into another source of stress. What you are building within yourself is valuable. Let it grow gently, one thought, one choice, and one peaceful minute at a time. Before you continue with your day, take one final breath and remind yourself, I am worthy of a peaceful mind, a hopeful heart, and a life that feels right for me. I release the words that once made me feel small, and I choose words that remind me of my strength. You do not need hours to reconnect with yourself. Sometimes, one honest minute is enough to change your thoughts, guide your next choice, and help you begin again. Return to these affirmations whenever you need comfort, courage, or a reminder of how valuable you truly are. If these words brought you peace, please like this video and share it with someone who may need the same encouragement today. In the comments, write, I choose words that support the life I deserve, and let this become your promise to yourself. Subscribe to the channel for more healing and empowering affirmations that help you create a calmer, stronger, and more positive inner voice. Keep speaking to yourself with love, because your heart is always listening.